Do not ask the language model to read the photo. Let Azure AI Vision handle optical character recognition first. Then hand clean text to Azure OpenAI for reasoning. This two-stage split cuts hallucinated ingredients dramatically. It is for engineers building document intelligence on Azure. Vision OCR reads dense label text at roughly 95% accuracy. We cover three things today: the pipeline, the structured prompt, and one costly gotcha near the end. A user uploads a packaging photo to blob storage. A function triggers on the new blob. It calls Azure AI Vision Read for the text. That raw text goes to Azure OpenAI with our prompt. The model returns structured allergen findings as JSON. We persist results in Cosmos DB for querying. Each hop does one job well. Use the Vision Image Analysis client, not the old batch read endpoint. Point it at the blob URL and request the read feature. Nutrition panels are small dense text, so image quality matters. Reject photos under about 720 pixels tall. The call returns text lines with bounding boxes. Keep the line order, because ingredient lists read top to bottom. Now send that text to Azure OpenAI. Force JSON output with the response format parameter. Ask for two things: declared ingredients and a contains statement. Set temperature to 0 for deterministic parsing. Give the model the 14 major allergen categories in the system prompt. Never let it invent allergens absent from the text. The model output is a suggestion, not gospel. Cross-check every flagged allergen against a deterministic keyword map. Casein means dairy. Semolina means wheat. This catches synonyms the model might miss. Split findings into two buckets. Explicit contains statements are high confidence. May contain traces are lower confidence warnings. Surface both, but label the certainty clearly. Here is what bit us. OCR misreads curved or glossy packaging constantly. It splits one word across two lines or drops letters. The model then confidently parses garbage into fake allergens. Fix it upstream. Reject low confidence OCR lines below 80%. Feed the model the confidence scores too. Tell it to skip unreadable fragments rather than guess. Test with three photo types: a clean flat label, a curved bottle, and a blurry shot. Check that the curved case returns a low confidence warning, not false positives. Confirm the JSON schema validates on every run. Watch token usage in Azure Monitor. A typical label costs under 1 cent per analysis. Prices shift, so check current Azure OpenAI rates. Split the work. Vision reads, the model reasons. Force JSON and keep temperature at 0. Cross-check allergens against a deterministic map. Filter low confidence OCR before the model ever sees it. That one guardrail prevents your worst failure mode. Clone the repo linked below and rebuild it tonight. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.